Good morning, everyone. Dear student, there is a very important announcement for you all that CBSE has started from this year onwards, meaning 2020 onwards, one more book, English workbook in your English syllabus. That is words and expression. So, the first chapter of the words and expression, the workbook, Letter to God, we are going to start in this video. You have read about Lancho in A Letter to God, first flight textbook in English for class 10. How has the story of Lancho moved you? What do you think about Lancho's faith in God and his attitude towards the officers in the post office? Do you think he is right in asking God for support and then blaming the people at the post office? Discuss his actions with your friends. Why does he do so? Meaning, what is your opinion about Lancho's behavior? You have to discuss with your friends. Now, the written exercise, what you have to do is, here the summary is given to you. The summary of Letter to God is given to you in points. Some points are given there, some are here. You have to find out whether what point will come first and what will come at last, or you have to frame proper story out of this jumble sentences. I will give you a hint that your first statement of this story will be this one. Lancho and his wife and their children lived in the house in a valley. And the last sentence of this jumble sentences will be, when the postmaster opened the letter, it said, "Oh, thanks for sending the money, but I have received." So this is going to be your last sentence. This is going to be your first sentence. Remaining other sentences, you will arrange it in order and complete your work. Another question, what we are going to do is the reading comprehension. In this reading comprehension, the story of the trader and the tailor is given to you. You will go through the story properly, and after reading the story, the questions are, did you enjoy the story of the trader and the tailor? The story is summarized below. Read the story again with your friend and complete the paragraph using short sentences with the given hints. So, dear students, in this, some of the questions I will help you to sort it out, and another one you will do it yourself. Once there was a tailor who was known for, in bracket it is written, cheat and thievery. So you can write down his talent of cheating, stealing and filching. Filching, meaning taking away the things without anyone's knowledge. Known for stealing, cheating and filching. He could cheat anyone with his cunning way of deceiving people. A trader challenged that the tailor would not be able to cheat him. He went to the tailor with, now the hint is given, satin. So, a piece of satin. The tailor, hint is given, welcome. The tailor jumped from his seat, greeted and welcomed the trader. The tailor jumped from his seat, greeted and welcomed the trader. The trader, then hint is given, please. So likewise you will complete the story where the hint is already given to you in the paragraph. So this way, dear students, you are going to complete these two exercises in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.